So this is Hillary. Let me just see her amazing pattern. Probably the only reason I kept her. Let me show you the other side. It's a symmetrical, it's exactly a symmetrical coat. She has no rib bars. See that? Not even a hint of a rib bar. Very dark, very light background. If you compare that, say, with Candy, see Candy has a pretty light background. So does Electra. She doesn't really know Candy, so she's smelling her like, what the hell is this? What do you smell under there, honey? And you get right up in there in the crotch, right? So anyway, that's her.